Transform your body in just 10 minutes a day. The benefits of daily jump rope. Exercising with a jump rope for just 10 minutes daily can seriously affect your body. In today's video, we will explore why including jump rope in your fitness regimen is beneficial. By the way, when was the last time you held a jump rope during a gym class? We understand how you feel. Many of us have been there as well. If you're doubtful about the advantages of jumping rope or feel self-conscious about doing it at the gym, let our video change your mindset. Would you like to learn about some of the advantages? For one, it's an excellent way to burn calories. Another benefit is that it aids in enhancing your mental capabilities. These, along with many other advantages, will be discussed today, so be sure to stick around. Number 1. It burns calories. Did you know that jumping rope can burn calories like a rare other exercise? Even at a moderate pace, you can burn between 10 to 16 calories every minute. If you perform a 10-minute jump rope session, you can burn around 160 calories. Moreover, skipping rope for 10 minutes is almost equivalent to running an 8-minute mile. Isn't that amazing? Number 2, it improves your bone density. A diet high in calcium is commonly recognized for boosting bone density, but so is jumping rope. Surprising, right? Research shows that jumping for just 10 minutes daily can offer greater bone-strengthening uses than running, even for both elderly individuals and athletes. Simply put, jumping is one of the most useful exercises for improving bone thickness. Number 3, it promotes agility. Do you want to be able to move rapidly and lightly? Jumping rope for 10 minutes daily can help you reach that. It also helps in developing a connection between your mind and body to relieve neuromuscular adjustments and maintain your balance. This exercise targets your calves, knees, and ankles, improving joint stability. Basically, it can improve your quickness and balance by requiring your mind to focus on your footwork for comprehensive periods, thereby reducing the likelihood of foot and ankle injuries. Isn't it clear why boxers tend to favor jump rope so much? Number 4. It provides a solid workout for the brain. One of the remarkable aspects of jumping rope is that it benefits not just your physical appearance, but also your mental function. Activities that involve both physical and mental work, like jumping rope, have a deep effect on mental abilities. Jumping rope improves the development of both the left and right sides of the brain, resulting in improved memory, reading skills, and mental awareness. Number 5. It's quite affordable and adaptable. A jump rope is simple to incorporate into your morning or evening routines. Depending on your timetable, it can serve as a warm-up or a standalone exercise. All you need is a rope, some space, whether at home, outside, or in the gym, and a flat surface to maintain a smooth tempo with your feet. Plenty of beginner jump rope workout guides are available online to keep your sessions fresh and enjoyable. To add some excitement, try different tricks and vary your speed. So, are you ready to give jump rope a shot? Share your thoughts or any questions you may have in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with your friends. Consider subscribing to the channel for more captivating insights about the human body.